we got this on mail today. We did order some Funko Pops. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got today. Ready?
Yeah.
Monday blind bundle. So let's see how many boxes. Let's count one. Just put it over there. 2, 3, 4, 5. One second. Let's go with the other one. 6, 7, 8, 9.
What, Mom?
9.
Here.
Yeah, no, don't put it over there. Just put it over here on this side, Israel. 9.
He's building
Here,
towers.
this is 10. Number 10. Number 11. And the big surprise, number 12. So we're gonna open up one. So with the first one right now. All right, Israel.
Open this one?
Yeah, open it the first box. Hold on, we have to move this so like that.
We could see.
We can see the ones that we have. Okay?
No.
All right.
Box number 1.
Box number 1. Let me help you out. So this is what we're gonna do. What? No way. Scooby-Doo. What?
Christmas Scooby-Doo.
That is
Dude.
so cool. So that's box number 1. Let's show it. Scooby-Doo Christmas. Let's put this one right here.
That was my.
So we're going, hold on. We're going with box number 2. Box number 2, Israel. Remember? Nope. Like this. See? See? Oh, from right here. What? No way. This is so cool. This is Doughboy. This is box number 2. We'll use, show this. A limited edition. Number 3. Remember? Yep. There you go. What?
Rick and Morty.
That's box number 3. Limited edition. Show the front. And then show here. This is so cool, guys. This is so cool. Show it over here.
Oh, I wanted to show the back of the box too.
This is so cool.
It's a glow in the dark.
It's a glow in the dark. We're going with box number 4. Number 4. Huh? Warriors. No way. Well, it's just that I couldn't see the characters. Number 5. Yep, not this side. Right there. Tinkerbell. Oh, limited edition. There's Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Piglet, and Winnie the Pooh. Tinkerbell. This is a limited edition Tinkerbell. That's your Christmas. What? All right, yeah.
This is like an early Christmas gift, guys.
Thank you, Mom. Yeah, but let's, because we have a lot, so we have to put them like that. Come on. So that's 4, 5. Box number 6. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see what we have. What? This is so cool. This is so cool. Love it. Right, Indra?
Yep.
We love it.
Dun, dun, dun.
It feels like Christmas right now. So that's 6. Box number 7. Ready? Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Christmas. Cool. That is so awesome. I can't wait for the holidays. So we're going box number 8. Ready?
Yeah.
The icy polar bear. That's from the fountain drinks.
Ices.
Yep. This is so cool. A limited edition. That is so cool. Let's get a little closer. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Well, I'm trying to not get the glare. Ugh.
Sorry, guys. This is our first time recording, so we're trying our best.
Hold on, I got it.
We're not professionals.
We're just doing it.
We're just doing it for fun. We love collecting. As you see, all the collection. We will show later on other videos. We will show each Funko Pop that we've been collecting.
Dun, dun, dun.
And this is box number 9. Ready? Oh no! That's a collectible. Oh my god, I remember those cartoons from back in the day. What? This is so cool.
Yeah, the prisoners.
Huckleberry hound. Huckleberry hound.
This is so cool. Boy, if you like collecting Funko Pops, I do recommend it. It's pretty cool.
Dun, dun, dun.
Box number 10. Ready? Marvel.
Marvel.
That's gonna be.
Fox.
Hold on.
Drax?
Drax. This is so cool.
Show the back of it.
And this is Marvel Funko Pop.
From Guardians of the Galaxy.
Box number 11. So ready?
Yeah,
Drum rolls. Ready?
Fair one?
Yep. We got a repeat, but it's okay.
No.
Is
it's
it
not
different?
Yeah.
Oh
This one has a
yeah.
green face. This one has a
There's
red
a red face. Open up box number 12, the last one. Ready?
Yeah, wait.
Ready, girl? Let's see what we have here.
The last time we do.
This one it is.
That's
See, drums. What? It's Frankenberry Funko Pop, little piggy.
It's not a piggy.
What is it? Yeah.
No.
Oh,
it's,
Franken.
It's the mascot from the cereals.
Oh, it is.
General Mills. You know, like the ones that Chunk Dracula.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have.
No
Franken.
wonder it does. Yep, it's right there.
Yeah.
This is cool.
Count Chocula. There you go. It's like a steampunk look to it.
Yes, it is. Yes, you can see. This is really cool. I like it. So, this is what we got on the first box. The box that we got today of the Funko Pops. And we'll see you until next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, please. And we'll see you next time.